We are so excited to share this new storage solution with you. The Craft Room Basics 4-drawer organizer from Scrapbook.com is our most versatile storage solution yet. These 4 drawers, 3 fully open and 1 divided, are ready to be filled with all of your favorite craft products. The drawers are the ideal size for ephemera, mini ink pads, pens, markers, acrylic blocks, and those little roller stamps that we know you have, but have probably been struggling to store. When you're ready to craft, just pull the drawers out and put it on your craft table while you're working on your next project. The drawer organizer is 12 inches wide and 6 inches tall and 6 inches from front to back. There are 4 drawers, and the top drawer has dividers so you can store pens, roller stamps, little ephemera, your smart glue, all of your little things. I love it has these compartments. Then the rest of the drawers are all open so you can store all of your things like mini ink pads, markers, dyes, your acrylic blocks, big ink pads, your embellishment jars, and all your fun little doodads. It's made of heavy-duty 4mm gray board wrapped in sturdy white glossy paper. There's a notch in each drawer to make it easier to open. A really neat feature about the 4-drawer organizer is that you could stack them on top of each other. So you have 8 drawers. Look how pretty that looks. That just makes your desktop look so organized and pretty and fresh and clean. Or you can stack them side by side. This 4-drawer organizer was designed by papercrafters for papercrafters, making everything easy and accessible at your fingertips. We are excited for you to try out these new 4-drawer organizers. Make sure to put 1 or 2 or 3 of these in your cart the next time you visit Scrapbook.com.